All right, we are back with Chef Anthony, and we are making herb and mint-crusted lamb chops this morning with pureed, semi-pureed, sweet carrots and potatoes.
Yes. So I'm going to start with my carrots. I'm going to put them right onto my plate, and I'm going to give them make them a little bed, kind of like so.
It's all about presentation.
Because you eat with your eyes first, so we want everything to be as beautiful as we can possibly do. And now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take and put a few potatoes. Make sure we drain the potatoes. And we're going to put them right on the edge. And then we're going to add a little surprise. This is carbonated sugar. Pop rocks without the candy coating.
I just tested it. Oh my goodness.
So we're going to add a little bit.
I was hoping you would add it to the carrots.
We're going to add those a little bit of that right on top of the carrots because it's going to give a little bit more of that sweetness and a little texture change and a little surprise.
I can still feel it sizzling. Yeah.
Oh, it's wonderful, isn't it? And then we have our lamb. And I just wanted to get the skin to crisp up just a little bit.
Beautiful. Now, why do we serve it on the end like that?
I'm building height in my plate.
Okay.
Building height in your plate makes it look more appealing to people, to the eye. So it's just a play on the way that it is, because of course people are going to knock it down to take a taste of it. But bringing it out and serving it up to where it sits up like that is just a very beautiful way to show how appealing the plate itself is.
That is gorgeous.
Doesn't that look great?
You can see the green and the parsley and the mint with your panko breadcrumbs in it.
Yep.
Oh, I'm ready to try it.
Well, knife, fork, please do. Tell me what you think.
And then I have to knock it down.
Now these are just like a T-bone, so you do have to watch for the bone that's inside of there, but that gives them a little bit of character. And I like that T-bone style of a lamb chop. And look at that beautiful mid-rare color inside. Just absolutely gorgeous.
Put a little carrot with it.
Isn't that great?
I thought the prime rib was good last week.
Well, we did strip steaks last week. We did a strip steak last week. Ribeye strip steak.
Yes. Oh, the ribeye steaks. Yeah.
Well, you're not too far off. You can get the same effect with the prime rib as you did with that ribeye steak. So they come out, the texture's the same, it feels the same. Your body can't tell the difference. But if you can't afford to buy the whole ribeye, cooking it like this in the sous vide gives you that feeling. Wow. Isn't that great?
Wow, that is so good. So what would you consider that type of cut?
That's medium rare.
That'd be medium rare right there. That's good.
I love lamb chops, especially when they're done like this. Can't go wrong.
Wow. So you were talking about the 40th anniversary.
So we're excited to welcome them back to Pittsburgh, and we're lucky enough one of our teachers was the class president. So we're going to work with her. We're going to create some beautiful appetizers for them and let them enjoy them before the game, so that they can see everything that we're bringing to the program now and how we're trying to improve the school, because that's our goal every year. How can we make the school better? And I know your survey this morning is about should teachers be paid more. I'm very happy with the school district that I work for. I'm very lucky and blessed to be with them because they take care of so much stuff for us. They make me feel so welcome. I came in kind of as an outsider, but I feel like I'm home. And I wish more teachers felt that. I'm so blessed to be able to work for USD 250. I can't even express it.
Well, and you do a lot for the school too, and you're also a sponsor of the cooking club and after school club. And I think last week you told me you had 60 kids show up for it. I mean, if that's saying anything about Chef Anthony.
And I love what I do with the kids. I love all of my students. They inspire me to push the envelope just a little bit further every single time. So I cannot wait to see what they come up with. We're actually building 3 competition teams this year.
That's impressive.
So I'm very excited for them. We've got some big things coming.
Okay, and I don't know, I hinted at it a little bit, but we have unofficially renamed our test kitchen as the Chef Anthony Test Kitchen.
Well, I
So,
feel very blessed
there
for
you go.
that. Thank you.
All right. And we're also very thankful to Simon Market for providing
Yes.
the lamb for us today, and to Martinez Produce.
For the carrots and the potatoes,
Yeah.
oh man, their carrots, everything coming from there is absolutely gorgeous right now. You cannot beat the quality. So I'm excited to keep working with them and to showcase more of their products with my ideas. And even more so, I have students who cannot wait to come on air and cook for you.
All right. I'm looking forward to that as well. All right.
So.
Well, we're out of time, so we better go.
All right.
All right. We'll be right back.